In this tale, you'll learn that no one is too tiny to make a huge difference. Rain, thick and relentless, rumbled across the sky. It was the sort of storm that turned every nook of the meadow into a rushing river. Shivering under a wide leaf, Abel the ant scanned the chaos with worried eyes. Elephants trumpeted in distress, water swirling around their thick legs. Lions prowled to higher ground, forsoaked and heavy. The towering animals seemed helpless, dwarfed by the force of nature. Abel considered the situation as water crept closer. Around him, his fellow ants scurried for shelter, but Abel's thoughts churned with questions. "What can we do? We're so small," whispered an ant beside him. Abel proclaimed, "We're small, but we're many. We must try." Summoning every ounce of courage, Abel scampered to the center of the meadow, waving his arms and calling ant after ant. "Follow me," he shouted, his voice clear and determined. Abel led his army of thousands of ants to where the water pooled deepest. Together, the ants dug tiny trenches in intricate patterns, forming channels that wove through root and soil. Guided by Abel's vision, they shaped the earth into a delicate web, funneling water away from the trapped elephants and stranded lions. As minutes passed, the water began to shift. Streams that threatened to engulf the meadow now trickled harmlessly away, drawn by the careful network beneath. The elephants' feet grew dry. The lions shook out their fur and sniffed in surprise. From the safety of a boulder, the king of lion bellowed, "Who has done this?" The lion was shocked to see tiny little Abel scurry up to him with his army of friends as he proudly claims, "We did." The mighty animals were forever grateful to Abel and the ant colony. The king of the lions proclaimed, "You may be small, but your power is so mighty. Thank you." Abel learned that day that with a vision and determination, he was never too small for any huge task.